Hi, Craft Angels. Leslie here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I am here. It is Saturday, September 4th, 2021. And I'm coming at you from Massachusetts. And I'm here with another envelope for another entry from Miss Michele Scott for my Friends Across the Miles junk journal. Okay? One of the things around you make you want to hide. Remember, God gave hope to keep smile inside. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. I like that. Thank you, Miss Michele, for this. I will try to add the card and everything to her page, and I know just how I'm going to do that. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please remember to hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit your notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And also, please be kind, be blessed, stay crafty, stay safe out there. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.